Breakfast at the hotel.
Good morning. Breakfast is this way.
Oh, thank you. This table?
That one's free. Take a seat.
Okay. I sit here. Good.
Tea or coffee this morning?
Coffee, please. With milk.
Milk's already on the table.
Oh, sorry. I not see it.
No worries. It's early.
Yes, very early for me.
The buffet is by the window.
Buffet. What is buffet?
You help yourself. Take what you want.
Oh, I take myself. Nice.
Help yourself. And it's all included.
Included means no pay?
Right. It's in the room price.
Ah, very good. Thank you.
There's toast, eggs, beans, fruit.
Beans? For breakfast? Really?
Welcome to England.
I try, maybe. Small plate.
Start small. You can go back.
Go back more times?
As many times as you like.
Dangerous. I am hungry.
Would you like something cooked?
Cooked. Eggs? Please.
How do you like them?
Sorry, I don't understand.
Fried, boiled, scrambled?
Scrambled. That word is fun.
It is. Coming right up.
Thank you very much.
Breakfast finishes at 10, by the way.
10? Okay, I have time. Please, no more beans.
Calling the letting agency.
Good afternoon, Brookside Lettings.
Hello, I call about a flat?
Of course. Which one, sorry?
The two-bedroom on Oak Street?
Ah, yes. That one's still available.
Still available. Good, good.
Would you like to view it?
View means to see it?
Yes. Come and look around.
Then yes, I want to view.
Lovely. When are you free?
Friday? After 5?
Friday at 5:30 works.
5:30. This is 5:30?
That's right. Sorry, I speak quickly.
No problem. I am learning.
Can I take your name?
Yes. My name is Mark Delaney.
Thanks, Mark. And your number?
1 moment. Sorry.
Take your time.
Can I ask how much rent?
It's $8.50 a month.
$8.50. With bills also?
Bills are separate, I'm afraid.
Separate. So I pay more.
Yes, gas, electric, water.
Okay, I understand.
There's a deposit, too. 5 weeks' rent.
5 weeks? That is a lot.
It's standard here, unfortunately.
Standard. This means normal?
Exactly. Normal for the UK.
I think I need to think.
No rush. Shall I hold Friday?
Yes, please. Hold Friday.
Brilliant. I'll email you the...
Sorry, hello? Hello?
On the subway to Brooklyn. You okay? You look lost.
Yes. This train, Brooklyn?
This one goes to Brooklyn, yeah.
Oh, good. I was worried.
Which stop do you need?
Hedford? Bedford Avenue?
That's the L train.
The L? Not this train?
This is the Q. Different line.
Oh, no. I make mistake.
Easy mistake. Everyone does it.
What I do now?
Get off at the next stop.
Get off means leave the train?
Right. Then cross the platform.
Cross the platform. Okay.
Look for the L. Follow the signs.
Signs. Gray ones or...
The L is gray, yeah.
So many colors here.
Tell me about it.
Sorry, Tell me about it?
It means I agree with you.
Ah, nice. I like this.
How long have you been here?
2 weeks. Everything is fast.
You'll get used to it.
Get used to. Become normal?
Exactly. Give it a month.
1 month. Okay, I hope.
Next stop is yours. Ready?
Ready, I think. Thank you.
Good luck. Doors open on the left.
Left. Left? Wait, this is right.
Other left. Go, go.
At the pharmacy.
Hi there. How can I help?
Hello, I have a bad cough.
How long have you had it?
4 days? Maybe 5.
Any fever? Do you feel hot?
No fever, only cough. And tired.
Okay. Is it a dry cough?
Dry? Sorry, what means dry?
Nothing comes up when you cough.
Ah, yes. Nothing. Just noise.
Just noise. I like that.
My throat is very angry.
Then this syrup should help.
Syrup. I drink it?
2 spoons 3 times a day.
2 spoons 3 times. Okay.
And take it after meals.
After meals. After I eat?
Exactly. Not on an empty stomach.
Empty stomach. No food inside?
That's it. You've got it.
Good. My English is slow today.
You're doing fine. Any allergies?
Allergies. I don't think so.
Are you taking other medicine?
No, nothing. Only vitamins.
Perfect. That's $14.
14. Card is okay?
Card's fine. Tap right here.
Tap. Like this?
Yep. All done.
Thank you. You speak clearly.
My mother says the opposite.
One question. How long I take it?
5 days. Then see a doctor.
5 days, and then doctor.
Feel better soon, okay?
I hope so. Thank you.
Take care. Drink lots of water.
Water. Yes. And no talking.
Smart man. Bye now.
Finding the check-in counter. Morning. Do you need help?
Yes, please. I am lost.
Where are you flying today?
Dublin. Flight at 11.
Which airline? Do you know?
I have paper. 1 moment.
No problem. Take your time.
Here, this word. Aer Lingus?
Right. That's Terminal 2.
Terminal 2. This is 3.
Don't panic. There's a free bus.
Free bus. Where I find it?
Downstairs. Follow the purple signs.
Purple signs downstairs. Okay.
It takes about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Then I check in?
Yes. Look for the check-in desk.
Desk is same like counter?
Same thing. Desk, counter, either one.
Ah, good. English has many words.
Too many, honestly.
Do I show passport there?
Passport and booking. That's all.
Booking. This paper?
That's the one. Keep it safe.
I am late, I think.
You've got time. Just don't stop.
Don't stop. Okay, don't stop.
And drop your bag at the desk.
Drop bag. They take it?
They take it. You keep the small one.
Small one stays with me. Good.
Purple signs, downstairs, Terminal 2.
Purple, downstairs, 2. Thank you.
Go on. Off you go.
Sorry, one last thing.
Run, love. Just run.
At the supermarket.
Need a hand with anything?
A hand? Sorry.
It means help. Do you need help?
Ah, yes. I look for rice.
Rice is aisle 6, near the pasta.
Aisle 6. This is number?
Yes, the rows have numbers.
Okay. And bread, same place?
Bread's at the back. Follow the smell.
Follow the smell. Good idea.
Works every time.
I have question. This word offer?
Means it's cheaper this week.
Cheaper. Very good word.
Everyone learns that one first.
2 for 1 means what?
Buy one, get one free.
Free? Really? Free?
Really free. Grab two.
I grab 2, yes.
Do you need a basket?
Basket? Small one? Not trolley?
Exactly. Baskets are by the door.
I think trolley now. Many things.
Fair enough. Big shop today.
Big shop means buy a lot?
That's it. We say that here.
I like this. Big shop.
Just watch the queue at 4.
Queue? This is the line?
Same thing. Ours is longer.
Everything longer in supermarket.
Self-checkout is quicker, mind.
Self-checkout. I pay alone?
You scan it yourself. It talks to you.
The machine talks?
Constantly. And it never listens.
Good luck in aisle 6.
Returning a product.
Hey, returns or exchange?
Return, I think.
Sure. What's the problem?
This jacket, too small for me.
Ah, wrong size. Happens a lot.
Wrong size. Yes, my mistake.
Do you have the receipt?
Receipt? This small paper?
That's the one. Perfect.
Is it too late? 9 days.
You've got 30 days. You're fine.
Oh, good. I was worried.
Did you wear it outside?
No, only in my room.
And the tags are still on?
Tags. The little labels?
Yeah, the price labels.
They are on. I never cut.
Then we're all good.
So you give money back?
Refund goes to your card.
Refund. This means my money returns?
Exactly. Takes 3 to 5 days.
3 to 5. Not today.
Not today, sorry. Bank's slow.
Banks are slow everywhere.
Some things are universal.
Can I take bigger size instead?
We can do an exchange.
Exchange. I swap. No money?
Right. Same price, different size.
Do you have large?
Let me check the back.
I wait here?
2 minutes. Don't run off.
I don't run. Too tired.
Long day?
Long week. Very long week.
Then let's make this easy. Suitcase lost.
Hello? Is something missing?
Yes, my suitcase not come.
Okay, let's sort it out.
Everyone take bags, only me nothing.
Which flight were you on?
From Rome, landed 1 hour ago.
Do you have your bag tag?
Tag? The sticker on ticket?
Yes, with the numbers on it.
Here. Is this correct?
That's perfect. Thank you.
I am very tired.
I know. Nearly done.
Can you describe? Sorry, you ask me?
Yes. Describe your suitcase, please.
Big, blue, one broken wheel.
The broken wheel helps, actually.
Haha, finally it is useful.
Any name on the bag?
Yes, a red label, my name.
Great. I'll put that down.
What happened now?
We'll trace it. It's usually quick.
Trace means you look for it?
Exactly. Most bags turn up.
Turn up, they come back?
They come back within 2 days.
2 days? I have nothing.
You can claim for essentials.
Essentials, this is what?
Toothbrush, shirt, basic things.
Ah, good. And you pay?
We pay. Keep the receipts.
Keep receipts. I remember.
Where are you staying tonight?
Hotel near the castle. Name is...
Write it here for me.
My writing is bad.
So is mine. Go on.
Wrong order at a restaurant. Here you go. Enjoy.
Sorry, this is not mine.
Oh, no. What did you order?
Chicken sandwich. No cheese.
And this is the beef burger.
Yes, with much cheese.
Much cheese.
It is beautiful, but no.
My fault. Let me fix it.
Fix, you bring correct one?
Right away. 2 minutes.
Is okay. I am not in hurry.
Still, that's on us.
On us. What means?
It means we pay. Free.
Free? For your mistake?
That's how we do it here.
Very kind. Thank you.
Anything to drink, meanwhile?
Meanwhile, while I wait?
Exactly. Water, soda, coffee?
Water, please. Cold water.
With ice?
Always ice in America.
Always. It's the law.
Then yes, with ice.
Are you allergic to anything?
Allergic? No. Only cheese I don't like.
Noted. 0 cheese.
0 cheese. Good words.
I'll be right back.
And this burger you take?
I'll take it away, yeah.
Or maybe I try 1 bite.
1 bite? You sure?
Only small for English practice.
For English practice. Sure.
Okay, I am hungry. That's all.
Say no more. Both plates stay.
Exchanging money. Afternoon. Buying or selling?
Sorry, buying or selling?
Do you want dollars or another currency?
Dollars, please. I have euros.
Great. How much are you changing?
300 is okay?
That's fine. Passport, please.
Passport, you need it?
For any amount. It's the rule.
Okay, here it is.
Thank you. 1 moment.
What is rate today?
€1 is 105.
105. This is 1.05?
Yes, exactly right.
And you take fee?
Small commission, $4.
Commission means your charge?
That's it. It's on the screen.
I see. Is not too bad.
The airport charges way more.
More? How much more?
Double, sometimes triple.
Then I come here. Good.
Smart move. How would you like it?
Like it? Sorry, I don't understand.
Big bills or small bills?
Small please, for bus.
20s and 10s then?
20s and 10s, yes.
And a few singles?
Singles, $1?
$1 bills for tips.
Tips, yes, I need many.
Ha ha ha, you'll need them here.
Everything is tips in America.
Now you understand the country.
Count, please. 2, 4, 6.
Take your time. I'm not going anywhere.